Final video to fix Google Earth not launching on Windows 11. And if the app won't open, let me ask you, are you clicking Google Earth, but it closes immediately or doesn't start at all? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, app files are corrupted, or system settings block the executable. Sometimes recent Windows updates or background apps also trigger launch failures. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky reinstalls, complicated registry tweaks, or confusing steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact graphics or system path that prevents Google Earth from launching. This works because it restores proper communication between the app and Windows. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Google Earth opens normally, the problem disappears, and you can explore maps without issues. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Google Earth not launching is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.